every now and then, you know what I'm saying, most of the majority of the time, we in that mode. Yeah. This is a moment of clarity. Everything BB's and go to the maximum. Young nigga flat out of eczema, flawless the face, and ran through a pack of them. Everything classical, everything magical. When they were checking my catalog, eating no caviar, smash on the stallion, draped in medallions, yeah. Depend on the caliber, put on the passenger, whatever time, wherever I was at. Look on the calendar, yeah, we compatible. I have a flying wherever I'm at. Too astronomical, way too phenomenal. Now have a naked where I land. I got a second option and a fourth and fifth whenever a nigga stand. I had it falling right out of my pocket when I was just smashing her. She seen the bands. I bought a Coca-Cola and she seen the can. The Glock was still on me while we was romance. Think I fell in love with this girl, came from France. She caramel when I get a 10. I need to pay her when I get a chance. Give her some drip, give her a whole lot of splash. Talking that shit, he get smell like a blunt. Took a few Pakistanians to lunch. Got some little slim shit in my lunch. He nigga be hating, putting on the front. Money get made, these bitches don't never get saved. Selling my shades, cooking up dope, getting paid. Try to get laid, she been with me 31 days. Like bitches in the ways, we been on the same damn page. I took a little E, got red about sit on my feet. I ran it on P, I got told baby mama knee deep. She ain't got no teeth, she know y'all nigga eat beef. She want me to leave, she know I'm not a red, I got cheese. I was quiet in the mouth, when I got in her mouth, she couldn't breathe. I was thinking like, geez, she done got a little slow in my teeth. I done took a little E, I fucked her and made her pee. Made her part of my team, and she asked me for a ring. I was already red bottom, came on the scene. It's hard to trust you, but I'm painting this carpet green. Money get made, these bitches don't never get saved. Selling my shades, cooking up dope, getting paid. Try to get laid, she been with me 31 days.
Good morning, good morning.
We been on the same damn page. Doing it on the chichilla, oh yeah.
God damn. Let me start sending the YouTube to the Discord and to my Instagram.
We don't do nothing that's normal. Everything we do is super gigantic. We don't put on fugazi. Everything we wear is super Titanic. I just caught me a wave. Feel like a nigga just jumped in the Atlantic. One hell of a car collection. Pulling it up. It's panoramic. Picked her up at a kayak. Soon as she got in, she ain't have nothing on her. Try to get laid. She been with me 31 days. Like bitches in the ways. We been on the same damn page. I took a little E. Got red about sit on my feet. I ran it on P. I got told baby mama knee deep. She ain't got no teeth. She know y'all nigga eat beef. She want me to leave. She know I'm not a red, I got cheese. I was quiet in the mouth. When I got in her mouth, she couldn't breathe. I was thinking like, geez, she done got a little slow in my teeth. I done took a little E. I fucked her and made her pee. Made her part of my team, and she asked me for a ring. I was already red bottom, came on the scene. It's hard to trust you, don't paint this carpet green. I was already red bottom, came on the scene. It's hard to trust you, don't paint this carpet green. Money get made, bitches don't never get saved. Selling my shades, cooking up dope, getting paid. Try to get laid, she been with me 31 days. Like bitches in the ways, we been on the same damn page. Money get made, bitches don't never get saved. Selling my shades, cooking up dope, getting paid. Try to get laid, she been with me 31 days.
I'm gonna wait till everybody joins the stream, or at least more people join the stream before I start my breakdown on what I think is happening. It's pretty obvious though across the board. Well, when it comes down to things like GJ, I mean it's pretty obvious what we gotta do there. What was the other thing I wanted to do? One other thing I wanted to do. Let's see.
What's the password? You late.
Hi, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case.
Alright, well, my main game plan for today is probably going to be trading gold. What to do, Layo? Looking at GJ, I mean, I was in some longs on some challenges that I'm passing, like Josie's. And regardless, I mean, the long move kind of happened. I think that it will continue going long on GJ, but I do believe that there is a retracement that is due to come. Being like, I could expect the price to come down aggressively before it then just breaks new highs and starts going. But we finally have kind of like reached this area right here. The support level right here, resistance level. You know, this little zone area. I'm pretty sure like this is getting marked up already, as in we're you know, down to see a retracement. Just a very hard level to be trading there. I don't know if I want to be taking a trade there. And now I'm looking at gold, and I thought gold would be just an easy long, like an easy decision to take long, and I kind of see why I could possibly go bearish. So let's be a little bit patient here. Now, I erased yesterday's trade. Yesterday we caught a nice gold sell, very similar to what's kind of being presented now. I think almost similar. Damn, gold really did its thing. Because this to me looks long right now. Like, I'd be going for buys on gold, even though I do understand on the higher time frame there was a big retracement. Is it this? Okay. Good job. So this is the big retracement here that has me a little bit worried. For those who would be taking sells on gold would be having to play out pretty soon, as in like this is the bearish 4-hour candlestick, another bearish 4-hour candlestick. That's 8 hours of bearish price action. You got the retracement, and that's the retest right there. So it's like this is the break, this is the retest, especially off this 8 SMA that's being formed right here. I just barely overlined the 8 SMA, so it might be doing a fake sellout. As in what do I mean by fake sellout? Like, it looks like it's doing the break and retest, and it's respecting the 8 SMA, which means it should go downwards, unless it's just faking this out, and this is just going to continue going upwards, meet at this high, and then eventually volatility comes and it flies without us. Everybody missed out. That's what I'm a little bit worried about. Totally fine. I'm going to be trading, obviously. The new account that I have up on the board is the 200k account. We started off 1% in drawdown, made it back. This is one of my clients' accounts as well. I just have clients accounts on clients accounts, so I'm worried about all these accounts. I still have my 50k alive, but the thing with that 50k, like I said, you know, I asked people who work in the back end of Leveled Up Society if the account's going to be still valid, because I held trades during news. Even though I hopped in 10 to 12 hours before the news, I held trade during news. And I saw on Leveled Up Society they updated the terms and service, the terms and conditions, and it basically says that account's bullshit, you know. So that's the truth of the situation. So fuck it, we're not using that 50k anymore. I'll log into it soon and just fucking blow it if you guys want. Who knows? We'll see what the fuck we do. Like I said, I'm kind of in the gold longs. I understand why gold looks short, but I think gold is going to go long. I think GJ is going to go long. Now it just comes down to finding our entry, but I'm going to be aggressive on gold. I've been doing really good on gold. I really full poured it on news. There's news today? Today is the 20th, Wednesday, GBP 2 a.m. Nope. 8 a.m. is coming up, 10 a.m. Nope. So we got no news right now, at least. 4 hours set. Dude, it's like, fuck, it's so confusing. Should I just be simple, go with the 4 hour, hope it reaches the top? Or should I just go with the sell? It's a simple little sell. You know, the only reason I like sells is that because this low right here does not look like that's the actual low of what's happening. Like this little support level is bound to get broken. I mean, just the momentum to the downside, a little bit of a correction. I'm pretty sure You know, so I honestly have not decided 100% what I'm going to go for. Now let's look at the daily candlestick chart. Daily candlestick chart, you know, also gives you the potential for sells, but this is bullish, could be bullish. What are you guys thinking, chat? We got 22 people watching right now. Pretty sure we don't got any likes or enough likes. So if you guys have just barely joined, like up the stream. If we get to 50 likes, we do a $100 giveaway. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, one's in the chat if you guys are bullish on gold. One in the chat if you're bullish on gold. Two's in the chat if you're bearish on gold. Yeah, I saw bought out a story. I saw your story, brother. You said you bought a new monitor. Does that mean you're gonna start video editing or no video edits? You're in gold buys. Nice. Tony's looking for sells. Anton is looking for sells. On the 2-minute. This guy's joke. I don't even got a 2-minute, brother. This guy said on the 2-minute. And GJ, like I said, I've been in a long. I caught 90 pips on Josie's challenge pass account. Josie from Australia. And yeah, I mean the long was pretty easy. I just had to make sure I was a little bit bigger of a stop loss. It already did its run, right? Down channel, side channel, up channel. We're on an up channel right now. I would expect there to be a random volatility push downwards to stop out people, but this is honestly just something that I could expect to just keep on going and going and going without any retracement. It's totally possible. Boys, how's the music in the background? How's the music in the background? We're good? Awesome. All right, so when I'm looking across the board, man, I'm honestly the cleanest pair I could see to trade is gold. Now, I don't think it's clean at the moment that we're in, but I definitely know that I can anticipate a good move. Second good pair that I could think of would be a GU sells, but that's how you end up broke. Bangers only is exactly what I'm looking for. Bangers only. Ooh, my eyes. That boy Molina in there. Morning, brother. I'm thinking, like, yes, I mean, I guess we gotta be patient. Let's wait for a new 30-minute candlestick. It's about to close right now in 40 seconds. I mean, shit, if you were to ask me at the top of my head what do I think is gonna happen here, I think it's gonna go bullish a little bit more. Is that the price action on it on the higher time frames is bullish. Like, I do believe that we have to keep on going up. But honestly, just this move specifically that we're looking at, which is what we would consider the most valuable piece of information, this is telling me that we should sell off, especially the way that this came up right here. This does not look like it's the bottom of the market. It really doesn't. But then again, easily in this type of trade, I could hop into a sell, and this thing just rockets with the new 30-minute candlestick and does not come back. Leaves me out for dead. So I'm trying to make sure that doesn't happen. Yesterday's gold trade was a banger, though. I love trades that play out like that. We literally almost did take profit. Came all the way back to break even. I held it through like a champ. Boom, take profit. So So let's rinse and repeat. Try to get 2 in a row with gold. Oh, that's gonna go long. Market did slow down a bit. There was volatility for a while, and market did slow down, which is good because it slowed down a while ago. So I think that, you know, pretty soon it should start picking up pace, and we should start seeing these candlesticks start moving. You know what I mean? Look at GU. Man, is the DXY gonna fly? Let's go look at the DXY. DXY daily candlestick chart. DXY has a chance of flying, which it does make sense for the GU sell. You know, GU. Damn, that's the GU daily. This is the ugliest pair in the world. Is anybody in any GU trades? Goddamn, hope not. We literally gotta wait. I woke up today in like fucking sniping mood. Like I'm ready to just hop into something and I know it's gonna hit. But goddamn, charts are not moving right now. All right, we got a quiet ass chat today. Badas, you there? Slick, you there? Arnold, you there? Martin, CEO. Who the hell we got in the chat right now? KB's cooking. Getting that protein in. Wow, Putin has threatened nuclear war before Christmas. Imagine, that'd be wild. That whole Democratic team really does not want us to have a Merry Christmas. How dare we speak Merry Christmas? How dare we? How do I know if she's the one? Sheesh. Well, number one, she got to be making you think that question, and you thinking it, so percentages and chances are going up. You just got to make sure she ain't for the streets. All right, could this be the beginning of the sellout move on gold, or are we about to start bouncing and going bullish again? I don't know why. I think that just fundamentally it's going to be hard for me to want to take a sell on gold because of fundamentals of what's happening right now with the world. You know, obviously in times of war, gold seems to rally and go bullish. Obviously that's not going to really mean anything, and when it comes down to what is this retail price action, but I don't know, something tells me that this is a fib long instead of the actual beginning of the short. You're waiting to go long on gold? I think it went short and failed. But this 2-hour candlestick looks like a fucking short. This looks way better. You guys know that I hate trading in between the SMAs though. If I were to take this trade right now, go long, Stop loss would definitely be below this. So at 18, which would mean it's a 10 pip stop. 1-1. This is what I would probably be looking for. What are my SMA settings? I have my 8 SMA and my 50. It is my 8. The 8 is the blue one, and my 50 is the bottom one. Targeting M30 high. Yeah, basically. I'm just a girl. All right. GJ, on the other hand, has not really done much of a... GJ's moving sideways right now, which when price starts moving sideways at ultimate resistances for me, that just gets me to think that that's the correction. It's not going to go downwards. It's just going to go sideways. So we got impulse, correction, impulse. I'm feeling that we're going to go bullish on it. I'm not sure when. I'm not sure how. I don't want to be trading at that level right now. That's why we're going to stick to gold. GU looks like it's building up momentum to go long. Nonetheless, there is bearish price action present in that market. Don't want to get confused there either. I think it's going to go with gold, and I think that gold looks great with the way it's forming up right now. Bullish, continuation. Wow. I mean, I don't mind taking a 0.5% position. I don't mind taking a 0.5% position. I don't even mind taking a full percent position, but if this does come down, will I get stopped out? More than likely I'll get stopped out, truthfully. Daily candlestick opened, bearish, bullish. I think we should go long before this thing starts leaving without us. And it does look like a big stop loss, big take profit, but honestly, this is the same size that we took one of yesterday, and man, it can hit real quick. You see, we hopped in when candlesticks were small. We hopped in, candlesticks got big, slowed down, big candlesticks, take profit. A bang. Take it, peso. Let me start lining up my chart. Let me start lining my chart up, bruh. We're gonna go for a buy. Stop loss is gonna be at 2K. No live bait.
He misses hood, not in something that he can't avoid. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care.
Alright, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. We already missed out on some pips. Buying. Let's see what we got here. All gas, no brakes. Wait, which one was this move? When did I catch this one? So confused. Totally fine. But I don't just put up these positions to put them up. Oh yeah, we did catch this. This was before this trade. I remember this trade. Those will be 3 in a row. I'm pretty sure. Is there any more? No, we'll be 3 in a row with gold. If we hit this. I'll oh, I need to take this on. I gotta take this on multiple accounts, so give me a second so I could log on and make sure the trades are being taken. All right, would you ever be a swing trader? Hell yeah. I swing trade a lot of the time. I swing trade a lot of the time, specifically with challenges that I pass for clients. A lot of the times I'm hopping into trades and expecting to get to the next session, potentially to the end of the next session. Yeah, it's my go-to when I really want to make sure. When I really want to hit my trade, I really can. It makes it really easy. You just got to fucking set and forget and do it at the correct level. Why do I always explain that that's possible? It's because if you know how to just be able to determine where the chart is going to go, whether it's going to go up or down, as in the bias of the chart, it makes it real simple to be able to actually make money if you're patient and you know how to set correct stop losses. So for example, imagine I was bullish on this gold up, you know, to the death. What would I do? Bullish until, I mean, this is a pretty similar setup to a bullish gold into the death, but what does that mean? So imagine I'm bullish on GJ to the death, right? What does that mean? I'm going to go, obviously you can't do it at this level, right? But we're just imagining, and I'm going to go stop loss down here because I know it's not going to hit this 8 SMA. I know if it breaks the 8 SMA, it's just going to be a fake. I'll possibly leave a wick down here, and I'm going to go for the long. And why do I know that? Because I'm going to go to the weekly candlestick chart, and I can see the weekly has already very bullish, very early into the week. I doubt it's going to come all the way back down because of all this bullish momentum we've already had. We're going to start wick filling this and then start being able to target this, right? Might happen in 1 day, might happen in 2 days, might happen in 3 days, but I know for a fact I ain't getting stopped out. Those are the trades that I take all the time. Those are the trades that I want you guys to start taking on live stream, right? I want you guys to be able to throw stop losses that allow price for you to go into drawdown and still not panic and still understand that you're still doing good, right? Because drawdown is not a bad thing. Now, obviously, it'd be great to be able to hop into a trade every single time and go through no drawdown, right? I don't even care about no drawdown. Like, that shit's so... I always hear in people's strategy, they're like, oh, I figured out a strategy that I know how to get 0% drawdown, and like, yeah, that's why I'm looking for the entry on the 5 minute and on the 1 minute and the 2. Like, fuck that shit. If you're trying to look for entries with no drawdown, then you're not even trying to fucking trade. You're just trying to fucking get handouts. It's not gonna happen. Stop being afraid of drawdown. When I hop into a trade, I'm expecting drawdown. That's why I'm adjusting stop loss to a larger position. But people get all mixed up in the antics of like, I need that perfect trade where I can throw a 20 lot, fucking risk $1,000, and because I go no drawdown, I'm just gonna make a whole bunch of money and become rich. Like, that's not gonna happen. Don't do that. Those aren't the type of trades we're trying to take. I want you to be able to say, hey, I'm going to risk $1,000 today, right? What does that mean? The first thing you're going to do is say, I like this trade. What does that mean? I am down $1,000. Before I even hop into the trade, I am down $1,000. $1,000 is gone, right? So you're going to picture $1,000 gone completely, 1K. And then you're going to be like, all right, now where do I feel like this chart is not going to stop me out? Okay, I feel like it won't stop me out at the bottom of the stop loss. Boom, stop loss beneath here. And then from there, you start risking $1,000 with that stop loss, and you just let whatever, if it goes halfway to take profit, fuck it, it went halfway to take profit. If you want to close it out there, but you're going to start understanding that it's a lot easier to get the bias correct and understand where the charts are going than instead of predicting literally where every candlestick is going to open and close. No hesitation when I'm with gang. Would you ever be a swing trader? I already answered that, I think, right? Slick Blocker said, hey baby, what it do, Slick? What it do, Slick? Yesterday we were in some gold shorts. Man, Slick, I needed you, bruh. I needed you for these gold shorts. I needed your confidence. Good morning, Xander. Also, Xander wasn't here yesterday. It's totally fine, though. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps the channel grow. If you guys have enjoyed so far any of this, like up the stream, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you guys want me to break down any charts as we are here, let me know. We are currently trading the 200K account. This is one of my clients who is actually in the chat right now. Shout out to Melina Fishing as my boy. We grew up together. But I also have multiple other accounts that we are trading. Like I took GJ Longs on Josie's account. I'm not sure if Josie's in the chat. We're like up 90 pips on Josie's account. Made a percent back, climbing back. If you... Hey, I want some... Paras is good. Yo, Paras always thinks Paras already has like his suspicions on me being gay. I'm pretty sure he already thinks I'm gay and I can't convince him that I'm not. But it's totally fine. Did y'all saw what happened to LaMelo Ball? A boy said no homo and he got fined $100,000. In the NBA, you cannot say no homo or no diddy because then it's considered discriminatory towards, which makes no sense to me. Because you're making it sound like it's discriminatory. That boy Josie's here. Yeah, Josie, we already caught a little 1%er on your account. Let me wait for another aggressive little entry, and then we're gonna make another 1%er. It's just when things are banging like that, you just gotta wait for it to settle for you, and you bang it again. Josie's on a vacation far away. Josie, you're from Australia, right? Or am I tripping balls? Hopefully not. That don't exist anymore. Freedom of speech got taken away by the Democrats already a couple years ago. Right? Because there's something called hate speech, and hate speech is a crime. So since hate speech exists, there is no freedom of speech. Hate speech. Why? Because hate speech is, look, calls out real or perceived identity factors of an individual or group, including religion, ethnicity, nationality, race, color, descent, gender, which basically means anything. Yeah, this basically means anything could be considered hate speech. If you look at the definition of what hate speech is, it basically just means that in the fucking law, in the eyes of the law, you can get fucked for fucking being discriminatory towards a group if the law does not want you to be discriminatory to that group. If I tell you guys no homo, it's because I'm being clear on the way I said it was not a homosexual way. Does that mean that I have a problem with homosexuals? Absolutely not. It just means I was clarifying the way my speech was being interpreted. Almost midnight here at the O's. The Aussies. He goes, I know you gay. Crisis, another easy way for Americans to sue a person. Exactly. Peso, I've got some White Widow for you. I think I know what you mean that is. Maybe you need to put like a no diddy or no homo in front of that, but maybe I think I know what you're talking about. The guy said I got White Widow for you. All right, we're up $500. That's old skeet. Also, there should be probably a no diddy behind that. Yes, let's go. I need to pop a right now. Y'all not feeling an upper decky? Anybody got an upper decky? If y'all ain't popping upper deckies in the morning, then how the hell are you guys supposed to be concentrated on the charts? That's what I don't understand about y'all. Damn, boy. The garage trader. Also the garage grower. I went white blondie snow type chick. Help me. You want like one of those blondes that are like literally look like they belong in the snow, you say? Let me guess, in the garage. Boy has a tent in the garage. You want like a Livy Dune type of girl?
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me.
Jesus, this boy. The garage trader. Change that shit to the garage grower. Alright, let's go look at GJ right now. I mean, not much from price in the price action wise. GJ still boss man not playing. Doge! No way Doge is on the retracement. If Doge retraces enough, y'all might get a chance to be able to purchase your guys' own personal Doge. Is there any currency pairs that you guys want me to go and break down? Send them to the chat. I will gladly give you my opinion on them. You're selling gold? Fuck.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. Where I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy.
What it do, Prod Beat? Prod Beat, your account will be started shortly, any second now. Okay, huge apologies. Just want to make sure I get the first banger on it. Prod Beat is also another client I'm passing an account for. We got a whole fucking party in here of people I'm passing accounts for. Prod YB, I got Prod Beat an account though, right, Prod? I passed your challenge in like 2-3 days. Then I did the phase 2, passed it like in 2-3 days. And then after that, or did we needed like 1% or 2% more, and then you helped me finish that, if I'm not mistaken. I actually don't remember. I feel like the phase 2 was a team effort towards the end. And so he was like, fuck it. We got a 25k passed in like 2 fucking days, 3 days. Might as well just go and get a 50k. So I'm the 50k route now. But I'm pretty sure Prod got a couple accounts up his sleeve. There's no way he doesn't. Dude pulled them out too quick. Yeah, because of the trading days, they both were 50Ks. Ah, I passed your 50K? You see, I don't even fucking know. I don't even know anymore at this point. No Diddy. What is this? Top Topo Net Trader. What the fuck is Topo Net Trader? What is this? Skip the challenge, dive right into the funded account. Early Black Friday, 40% off all instant funded accounts. Why does this seem like a big scam? Top 1 trader. There's no way this is real. I heart Cho Rich. Y'all heard of Top 1 Trader or what? Sounds like he is mates with Savage Man. That's so I can't send you a DM on Insta. What about Woke Money Concepts? Can you on Woke Money Concepts? I'm gonna blow my nose real quick. On my dick, that hoe she was just riding. Diamonds on my neck, so wet that shit look like Poseidon. I stand on my money, then my height will turn to 9'10". Yeah, these niggas be biting. Grata, I'm not really with a fighter. Yeah, me and her was vibing. Yeah. All right. So when it comes down to what's happening with gold right now, honestly, we have our daily candlestick that did open up where we're kind of at right now. I'm not sure if it went bullish then bearish. Yeah, it went bullish then bearish. So made a high, didn't work. Made a low, didn't work. Kind of back to where we were originally at daily open. And I mean, I'm looking at the previous daily candlesticks. Strong bullish candlestick, engulfed the 8 SMA. Strong bullish candlestick. I mean, I'm thinking that this bullish candlestick is going to be the third soldier that's going to reach this 50 SMA target right here. You buying meme coins? I mean, I was a very, very, very strong advocate before Trump came into presidency, a couple days before the election, maybe a couple weeks before the election, maybe a week or two. I let everybody know on live stream that we are buying Dogecoin, and I bought some Dogecoin, invested some money into Dogecoin. Wish it would have been more money, but honestly, money is money. And I bought in at 16, and I was a little embarrassed to tell you guys that I'm buying in at 16 because there was already a lot of a rally going on, as in it went from 11, 12. So I guess halfway, I would have doubled my money if I would have hopped in at 8, but 8 is all the way over here. So honestly, 16 is perfect. Hopped in at 16. Trump started, you know, looking like he was going to win the election, and this thing just went from 16, 32, 44. This thing went up more like 120%. 120%. So am I into meme coins? Not really. Do I consider this a meme coin? Not really. I think meme doesn't, you know. What's even better about this now? DOGE. The Department of Government Efficiency. This is the even best part about it. Then Trump gets elected and opens up the Department of Government Efficiency. Right? This is basically going to be a group of people, being Vivek Ramaswamy, Elon Musk, and what these people are going to be doing is that they're going to be able to overlook everything that's happening in the government and be able to make sure that's being done efficiently. Right? What does that mean? As in how much money they're spending on, whether it be anything you could think of. They're going to overlook the projects and make sure that they're as efficient as possible. There's not people that are being there paid to do nothing. There's not weird ass laws that make it have to go through this and have to, like, there's everything organized wise. And also in the whole project that they're going to be doing, they say that throughout the next years they're going to start dropping all the inefficient things that exist in our government, whether it be the way that taxes get filed, whether it be the way that people get prosecuted, whether it be the way that bills get passed, whether it be how funding gets given to different donation teams. What, dude, everything you could think of, which is where all the scams happen. Right? Being inefficient, giving too much money, or giving too many people money, or giving too many work. The inefficiency is all going to be supposedly solved by one of the most efficient people in the world, who is Elon Musk. Right? Who could be more efficient than a guy who has the only running space station in the world right now? Right? Fucking NASA. I mean, SpaceX. It literally owns a whole bunch of companies. Literally the most busiest man in the world, probably. And dude's still going to be able to man bought Twitter, went to Twitter, had a fucking 1,500 employees fired. I know I say this a lot, but that's a lot of employees to fire. Why? It's pretty simple. You enter the place and you say, look, if by today you guys, whoever you guys are, right? If you cannot show me what your job is in this fucking company, right? If you cannot sit down in front of me and show me what your job is, you're fired. I think it's pretty reasonable. I think it's very reasonable. You know, if you cannot show me what you are doing on a day-to-day basis, you're fired. And if you're doing what you're doing is on a day-to-day basis is useless, we put AI behind it. You're fired. You're fired. That's where he got it from Trump. I've been practicing my my Trump dance. Swear to God, I feel like I mastered it. Is GJ going up with gold? I would expect it to, but I could definitely see a retracement coming randomly on GJ. GJ looks like it's ready to just do whatever volatility decides it to do. Crypto electronic epic ever? What the fuck is that? CEEE? Crypto electronic epic ever? El Pepe. Make me mad seeing crypto go up and I didn't even invest. Yeah, it's pretty frustrating feeling.
Truck auto body, my niggas ain't coming home. I know that little truck coming home, but they get little deep 50 years. And mama keep crying them tears. And mama keep crying them tears. It's a Draco in the back of the
Get this bitch out.
Snake you, take your money, but they claim that you broke. And where was she when a young nigga was so damn broke? And where was she when a nigga ain't had no hope? Many pussy niggas act, hell nah, ain't no vacuum.
Alright, it's been love and hate with that shit. But patience is key. Oh, we're talking about crypto. All right, come on, let's push, baby. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push.
Nowadays, nigga change for the fame, nigga switch on that game, nigga come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago, not a nigga in the middle of the road on angel dust. We ain't had shit, we was on our dick, and them hoes ain't even really wanna hang with us. Nigga switch on snake shit, fake shit, yeah, now pussy that nigga, that ain't what's up. Nigga fucking with
XRP, man. XRP is like the coin that has the most hype. It's like the coin that has the most talk. And it does absolutely very, very little walk. Let me see, actually. Did it actually go up? Oh, it did go up. Doubled, also. I think XRP is just a scam. I don't know why. Chill, guy. Yeah, people get offended when you start talking about XRP. I hope this crashes, though. I'm just kidding. All right, we're up 1,000. No, the coin chill guy. Oh, the coin chill guy. Oh hell no, I don't even know what that is. They made a coin for Peanut the squirrel. Justice for Peanut. I don't think it's Peanut. I know they made one. All I know is that Peanut the squirrel got a coin that's popping up. But Jesus, dude. That's how you know that life is getting fucking weird when I know something like that. It just means that goddamn been watching too much TikTok. Nah, it's the meme that's been on TikTok lately. A guy turned 30 into 3 milli. Yeah, sounds like a fucking... Sounds like a scam. What that sounds like? That kind of sounds like a... Ah, but that's a bad joke. I was gonna say it kind of sounds like something FX Alex G would do. But... check out El Pepe. What the fuck is El Pepe? This guy's... the fuck is that? Y'all be into some weird ass meme coins, bro. Like, I feel like, man, the world is just so gullible with everything that you could give everybody a crazy ass story behind the coin. Like I'll tell you, like, this coin I just created, chat. This coin I just created is based off of the only material that we've ever found that has come from space and that defies the laws of physics, and we brought that piece of rock and parted it into 1,000 different pieces, and each one of those 1,000 different pieces has a destination spot that you're allowed to go to. And I'm like, I don't know, like you just create some crazy ass story about some coin and people start getting the hype. You've made a coin before? Now, what is the chance that that coin has anything of your name in it? Slick or Blocka? Or you chose nothing with Slick or Blocka? I feel like it would have a Slick Blocka in there. No? Money up. That's not scammy. Punk will fly. Punk. According to who? Anybody currently in this gold trade with me? Is there anybody currently in this gold trade with me that has taken it with me? Not that they're in buys and I'm in buys, that you guys actually took it with me, side to side. Nope. Up 1% on gold. Look at that. Xander boy. You're in a gold long separately. Both. What do you mean both? You opted into GJ? We didn't call out GJ, by the way, chat. Hopefully you guys are not in GJ, even though GJ might be going up right there. Come on. Hit TP. So I can do my Trump dance. Dude, that Trump dance is the best. Like, how do you come up with that? That guy is so iconic. Like, for real. How the hell you come up with a Trump dance? Trump dance. Look, you got the NFL players doing the Trump dance. You got Pulisic doing the Trump dance. You had John Jones doing the Trump dance. You had John Jones right here. Dude, this guy has his own dance. Like, talk about iconic. Alright, Lyle says he's been in gold since the last bearish wick. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps the channel grow. Once we get to 50 likes, we are doing a $100 giveaway. 50 likes, $100 giveaways. Bro, love Trump. LOL. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, it's the leader of the fucking free world. Like, he's the leader of the free world. Does that even fucking cross your mind to not even be like, oh, that dude's a fucking savage? Goddamn, not like Macron, or goddamn, not like the governor or the mayor or the fucking of the UK that's just trying to cause World War III to happen. Like, goddamn, like, this guy's like literally a fucking. This guy's literally him. The world already free, bro, with or without him. You know that, right? That is absolutely false. Absolutely false. The world is absolutely not free with or without him. Absolutely false. That is a very bad statement. Very, very bad statement. We could even get into what's happening right now with or without him. The difference of what it is with or without him. When it comes down to what even is free speech. When it comes down to what it is even free speech. Trump don't believe in hate speech. Hate speech allows anybody to be put in jail for anything they say. So is that a free world? I don't know. Is there free world when your political opponents are being prosecuted by judges from literally fucking the most corrupt possible state? That doesn't sound like free. Is it free when I can't keep on thinking of it. You still making money with or without him, right? It's not. It's funny because everybody, whenever they come up with their reasons for voting for whoever, bro, I mean, I don't know if Owl is American, but most people that are outside of America, like don't live in America, they're not going for the American president for the gays' rights or for the right to bear arms. They don't give a fuck about that shit. They literally care about the United States president influences thousands and thousands and thousands of policies and thousands of states and hundreds of countries across the world. You know, so having the correct president in the United States affects the whole fucking world in massive ways. Bush had a whole bunch of wars started. Obama had a whole bunch of wars started. Trump, 0 wars started. Biden, a bunch of wars started. Those aren't random statistics. Those are policies and laws that get made. And then when you ask why did Biden go recently and sign a paper that allowed Ukraine to start using U.S. military missiles on Russia? Why does that make sense to you guys, right? I mean, there's an obvious answer. It's called money. There's people that make a lot of goddamn money off of these wars. A lot of it. A lot of goddamn money off these wars. We got war contractor, arms dealers, fucking who knows how that system is, but bro, sending billions of dollars to Ukraine. We got a lot of people profiting off this war. We got a lot of people profiting off of every war that happens. That's the whole idea with being in politics. You get to profit off of wars. And Trump ain't with that, right? Why is Trump ain't with that? Because Trump's already worth multiple billions of dollars, more than any politician ever has been. Fucking, well, I don't know. You know, the Obamas are filthy, dirty rich also. Hillary Clinton as well. You know, but when it comes down to Trump, he ain't got to enter politics to try to make money or try to be somebody who's known, or he don't got to try to make a name for himself. You know, he ain't with all that bullshit. He already did it all. He did it all, brother. Nobody fucking, do you know the equivalent of what it is to turning $4 million into $4 billion? That's a lot. It's like you turning 400. That's like you grabbing $4,000 right now and turning it to 4 million. So if you have $4,000 in your bank account and you haven't turned it into 4 million, who are you to fucking look at Trump and be like, man, he got gifted $4 million. He could fucking easily, like, what? We're talking about 4 billion minimum that he's worth. Billion. In the most brutal place to grow up in America. In the most brutal times. Fucking New York. Peso, would you ever work a 9 to 5? Hell yeah. My dog's a business, man. I haven't done my taxes. I'm too turned. That's what I'm talking about. That's me. Only natives to vote. Cuba to Florida to vote.
Hey, boy, I drop that shit that they be waiting for. I like the Beamer, but I'm about to go cop a Rado. I done pee your true color, boy, you a rainbow. I got Space Jam.
What is, there's just one saying that gets brought around every, what was my last job before trading? That was a while ago. I bust tables for like, I don't know, 3 months, 2 months, 3 months. I was at BJ's. At BJ's, no Diddy, but I worked at BJ's. That's funny. What was I gonna say? I'm gonna say something. What was it that I was gonna say? No. Yeah, I mean right now they just barely look. A lot of what goes on in politics is a lot of threats and negotiation, right? It's a lot of negotiation skills that have to go down there. And I mean, I'm going to look at it from the most positive perspective. I'm going to say that people aren't making money off of this war. And I'm going to say that what Biden did there is basically just, I mean, Putin said, look, you guys escalate things, and if it gets dangerous, we're going to use our nuclear weapons because that's what we're supposed to do. And I think what Biden did there was be like, yeah, you're going to use nuclear weapons? You say you're going to fucking be all this big badass? Push the button. Do it now. I think that's what he said. And I don't think he really wants, right? I don't really think that he wants fucking nuclear war to start. It would be really bad for Ukraine, right? There would be a Hiroshima type moment for Ukraine. Obviously not as big as a bomb, but it would definitely be a moment like that. And I think it's just negotiation skills, right? I think it's like yeah, there, your card is right there. You said you were gonna do it, right? So the second that he doesn't do it, that just showed his position. It just showed who has the power, right? And then you start moving forward from there. Kind of like whenever we have people who are so genius on this economy, they're all fucking, everybody's a withered, and everybody's like, oh, Trump's gonna ruin the economy with tariffs. Trump's gonna ruin the economy with tariffs. Why? Because if you tariff the washer that comes from Samsung, from I don't know where, Japan, now the dryer is also gonna go up in price, and then we're all gonna end up paying us people more money for the washer. Yeah, that's when you put it in. That's what happens when you put it into practice. Yeah, that's how tariffs work. But what you guys aren't realizing is that when Trump starts talking about tariffs, they're not actually meant to be implemented. And if they are, he says, I'm going to put 25%. And if that doesn't work, 50%. And if that doesn't work, 75%. If that doesn't work, 100%. It's obvious he knows that price comes back to us, that we end up paying more money. But what is he doing there? That's called negotiation. But a lot of people want to run with the narrative and be like, he's going to ruin the economy. He's going to... No, what he's trying to do is fix it. And he has to go through these extreme measures to be able to get to what he needs, right? It's not fair that a Toyota Tacoma costs goddamn 15, 20 grand here, but then you grab one of our fucking Fords, bring it to Italy, and our Ford costs literally 20 times more the price. It costs like it costs 3 times more the price, 2 times more the price, right? 100% tax on our vehicles, right? Who's the biggest manufacturer in the United States? What do we see 24/7? We see Toyotas. Where's Toyota from? Not the goddamn United States, I'll tell you that. Right? We have a bunch of Chinese vehicles. We have a bunch of Japanese vehicles. We have a whole bunch of... So everyone's allowed to fucking sell their vehicles here, but when we ship something over there, nah. It's considered you should see in Europe, when you have a Mustang, if you could have a Mustang, Mustangs go for $1,000 here, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. You could have a Mustang, bring it to Italy, and people are going to be looking at your car like, ooh, like it's an exotic over there. It's literally an exotic car because they don't have them over there because they don't allow us to. They don't allow us to. So all that's happening when he's talking about tariffs, it's negotiation room. It's, hey, you keep on fucking me, I'm gonna fuck you 100%. And no one's gonna end up buying your goddamn washer. We're all gonna end up fucking washing our clothes with our hands because we do not want to be getting fucked by you in the ass. Right? I'd rather wash the clothes with my hands than get fucked by you in the ass. And that's exactly what he's telling them. And so, I mean, do I think it's gonna work? I have no fucking idea. It's not for my opinion, but it's the I don't know, people run with the narrative of like, oh, he's gonna put tariffs and he's gonna ruin the economy. It's like, bro, he's at least doing something about it, right? There's our economy's already fucking looking like shit. He's literally doing something about it. So huge props for that. I think I think he's doing his thing, bro. I think he's doing his thing. Fucking people love running with the narrative. I have some friends who are Democrats, and they're like, did you see who he appointed as Secretary of Defense of the state? I'm like, no, I didn't see who he appointed as Secretary of State. And he's like, bro, he appointed somebody from Fox News. And I'm like, so the fuck does that mean? He goes, bro, he put somebody as Secretary of Defense of State who's literally never been a politician before. And I'm like, okay, I bet you if Kamala won, she'd probably put somebody in CNN, or I'm like, what's the fuck? Like, I'm like, what's the problem here? Like, I haven't even looked into something. You're just, and then you look into it, and you're like, all right. Trump hired somebody who's not experienced, and he works at Fox News. All right, so let's see. Trump hires Fox News. I don't know. Let's just.
Yeah, we don't want.
Let's see. There you go. For defense secretary. Trump defense choice stuns the Pentagon and raises question about Fox News host experience. So all the news starts saying, hey, does this guy even have experience? Trump's just going with the news. Trump's just fucking giving out free jobs. Blah, 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 blah. Right? Let me look up this guy's name. What the fuck is this guy's name? Turns out you do some fucking research into who this guy is. This guy served in fucking 3 different wars. Guam, Afghanistan, Iraq. Fucking's been in the military, has more than fucking 3 Bronze Stars, has a whole bunch of different medals, has fucking literally has put his whole life dedicated to the United States and to the United States military, has so much credentials behind him. And then the whole fucking place is like, oh, but he's hiring somebody from Fox News. Yeah, look into who he's hiring. He's hiring a fucking genius. He's hiring a dude who really has been there and done it all. Get to my TP, bitch. I don't know what the guy's name is. I gotta look it up right now. We're about to close, chat. Closing any second. I'm only $50 away. I'm closing. I closed that on the dot. Closed positions by 1,983. $20 short. It's totally fine. Yeah, there was a statement that he put out. Trump. See, Trump statement on Fox. Service, I'm ready to tip. You know I'm hip, I don't got a trip. You know I ain't no liberty shrimp. We switching position, we switching locations. I'm fucking this bitch in the gym. She said she don't wanna say Gunna no more. She about to start calling me him. I'm him. I need you making it hot. The stakes is high, the prices is high. I'm about to fly to Dubai. His name is Marcelo Wallace. Is it really Marcelo Wallace? Whatever, he dropped. This guy has a I don't even know where to find it, tell you the truth, but he dropped Trump dropped literally a paper explaining why he hired that dude, and like it's just a list of credentials of what the dude's done, and you clearly see that dude. Yeah, he's in charge of the military. Why? Because he's been working in the military for the last 20 plus years. He actually cares about the military people, not like fucking people that care about the military but then just start sending fucking troops off to war. It's fucking sad world. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world.
Ain't no day off. And why it ain't no day off? Ain't no day off. You can't be quick.
Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world.
That shit off, Sleevin'. Sleevin' ain't cut that off your head, man.
Taj money.
I think about you on the road when I tear down the booth. Girl, I can't wait till I get home, fuck the shit out of you. Even on your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gonna protect you, pull that stick out and shoot. All I want is your love, I can't see no bitch after you. Off emotions, we did things that we didn't have to do. Scared of you leaving, I told lies when you asked for the truth. I second guess if you the one, it's when I didn't have a clue. Envy Martin and Gina, but we ain't think about behind the scenes. The way I kill it, lose our voice when she trying to scream. We from the trenches, we moved on to the...
Am I answering another position? Absolutely not. I actually am going to continue off with my day chat. I already caught the trade of the day. I have to, like, dude, I have so many accounts to trade right now. I'm passing a good amount of challenges, and I really want to dedicate my time to each one of these challenges and making sure that everybody gets passed as soon as possible as well. So I need to get offline right now because it just helps me be able to fucking actually open up all the accounts on my screen, and I need to get everybody into more positions. I need to figure out a couple things. So, boys, I want to say thank you guys all for watching the stream. Thank you guys all for participating. Thank you guys all for, I don't know, being supportive. Much love to you guys. I adore you guys. Thank you guys so much. That's crazy. That was a pretty short stream. It was an hour stream. Recommended brokers. I would always say go with Hugo or go with Sway, even though Sway has a bunch of fucking scammers that promote them. But honestly, I got messaged by. It was weird. Can somebody help me out? I got messaged by Amon, right? I know Amon in real life. We've met before. We've talked before. And he was like, "Yo, bro, do you want to be a promoter for Sway? You'll make $7 off every lot somebody throws." And I was like, "Sure." And then he was like, "All right, text me when you can hop on a call." I don't know. There was just something super weird about it. Like, I don't know why I would need to hop on a call. And he wanted me to do a whole bunch of weird things. And I don't know. I wasn't with it. I was like, bro, I don't even want to fucking start getting into business with these. All right, boys. Much love. Great trade. Great trade. Honestly, fucking, I just barely closed. So you guys already know it's going to keep on flying now. Boys, if anybody wants any challenges passed, make sure you guys message me either on Instagram or on Discord. I am not currently running any promotions besides for, let's say, 100K accounts. Yeah, I'll run promotions for 100K accounts. Everything less, it's not really worth my time. It's not really worth my thing. So anything less, no promotions. 100K, I'll give you a 30% discount. All right, boys. Much love to you guys. I adore you guys. Peace.